Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1972 Plymouth Duster. This is a factory H code 340 car, guys. It now has a Mopar Performance 360 cubic inch, 400 horsepower engine underneath the hood. So this one gets down. This one runs strong. Neat little car. It is an older restoration, but still very, very nice. Factory color combination, which is very cool. Factory B3 Basin blue, or petty blue as a lot of people refer to it as. It's got all the black striping on it, black vinyl interior, bucket seat console car, which is also a big add on this car. Good solid straight body, really runs out and drives real good. Shark's tooth grille. It's got the dual snorkel hood on it. A few little things you can pick at it as you walk around it, but if you're looking for a fun little hot rod, I think you're going to like this car. Bumpers look new. That's just fingerprints if you're seeing that. Dual sport mirrors. Factory rear defog in there. Car's nice and straight down the sides, 15-inch Mopar rallies. It's got looks like a good set of Coopers all the way around it. Car's got great sound. It's got a Magnaflow H-pipe dual exhaust system, which sounds awesome. If you're seeing that, a little mud or something, maybe pulling it around. It comes off though. And 15-inch rallies all the way around it. Front disc brakes. Again, strong running 360, guys. It's got the Holley Sniper Fuel Injection kit on it. That's a Mopar M1 air gap intake on it. It does have headers, aluminum radiator. It's got MSD 6AL box on it. Manual steering, manual front disc brakes. It has a 727 manual valve body, automatic transmission in it. And it rocks. This thing gets down the road good. There's your fender tag. Again, dual sport mirrors. This is a remote mirror. Door handles look good. Those have definitely been replaced. Door seams are nice and clean. That's what's hard to find. Bucket seats with center console. Of course, most of these things are bench seat with a column shift. Seats look good. They've definitely been redone. Headliner looks great. Factory steering wheel looks good. It's got the factory dash. New mats are on the way. They'll have the Duster logo and the wording Duster. Shows 58.3. I'm assuming that's probably the right miles on the car. We don't know the miles since the resto. AM FM radio. It's got the Sport Comp Monster Tach in it with the aftermarket Autometer gauges. 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear axle. It's got a stainless tank with an in-tank pump. I think a lot of the paint in here is actually original to this car. You can see it looks like it's got all the original insulation in the trunk. They've definitely repainted the floor on the car. But this stuff in here, that's original. Car's clean underneath. Again, we always have photos underneath the cars on our website. Make sure if you're viewing our cars, check us out on southernmotors.com. Really encouraging people to pick up the phone and call right now. 248-620-3355. A lot of scams going on right now. Can't do this yet. My shoulder's not good enough to operate that left arm as good as I need to. It's got the B&M ratchet shifter on it. Great sound. What'd you hear Nathan fire this thing up, man? Car runs strong. Got solid lifters. Car runs. I'd say if you're looking for horsepower, I think you're going to like this car. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. Well, it looks like the voltmeter's not working up there. Is it working? Oh, it's working up here. Okay. Fuel gauge works up here. Holding good oil pressure. Nice little cam in it. Car runs strong, man. Radio work? Oh, yeah, radio. Blower motor, did you try it? Blower motor does work too, guys. Yeah, you can hear that cam hitting, man. Sounds good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page here. You can do that by clicking on the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.